Hello everyone, in this video we will create a text system that use motion warping. Go to Melee Combat, create new folder, name it enemy, and right click, blueprint class, character, name it CH dummy. We will create a dummy that reacts to the character attack. Open it. For the character, choose SKM many simple and move it down. Then use animation asset, and for the animation search for standing idle UE animation, and the character is idling now. Create blueprint interface, name it BPI enemy animation. Open it. Then the function name is enemy, and add output variable. Variable name is enemy. Variable type is boolean. Go to CH dummy, click on class setting, add BPI enemy animation, and double click on its enemy and set enemy to true. This function we will call it to check that is it the enemy that character can attack. Go to event graph, right click, create any damage event, and then get mesh, call play animation. Find the animation, melee, drag this standing react light from left to the new enemy to play. When the dummy receives the damage, it will play this react animation. Go to project setting, input, add action mapping, and call left click and choose mouse left mouse button. Go to third person character and call left click action event. Get equip, and we create a branch. We attack only when we equip with the weapon, and get enemy instant, call is any montage playing, then create a branch. Net to true, and if it falls, we play montage. Then search for one attack montage, attack version 1. Create any montage, use it for montage to play. Let's play test. Then we press tab. Then left click. The character play the attack animation montage. Go to this animation montage. When the character start attacking, we add notify, montage notify, and rename it to start. And then when she finish attacking, we add another montage, move it here, and name it add. Then she start to attack again. Notify name is start. And when she finish attacking, add another montage. Notify name is add. We use this to know that when we should trace for the enemy. Then add variable, name it attacking. On notify begin, the notify name call switch on name, name it to on notify begin, and add pin, tool name, expand it, rename it to start, and the second is add. If it start, set the attacking to true, and when it's add, set attacking to false. Create a new custom event. Name it attack trace. Then get attacking. Create a branch. If it's true, we call sphere trace by channel. And if it's true, get mx, get world location, and it to start. Then get forward vector, multiply it, right click and convert to float, can set it to 90, then add with the world location and use this as the add location, and the radius is 10. Draw debug type for duration, and the draw time is 0.5. Return value, create a branch, then break the out hit result. If we hit with another actor, we call an hit actor and apply damage if it's true. set it to 30, and if it falls, we delay for 0.02 seconds, and then call this function again, attack trace. From the attack montage, when it is attacking, call attack trace. Let's play test. When the character equip the X and we click, now the character do the line trace, do the spear trace. Let's go to enemy of our melee combat, C8 dummy. Drag it into our scene and play test. Go near this dummy and then click to attack. We not detect this dummy. Go to C8 dummy and capture component, search for collision, and this collision preset of pound, we ignore the visibility, so set it to custom and set the visibility to block, so we can detect the spear trace. And let's play test. Move near this character and click. Now the character receive the damage. Go to C8 dummy, and for the capture component, the collision, ignore the camera and click on the mesh, collision, custom, and ignore the camera too. Let's play again. Now it's working properly. We have a little bit of glitch when the character attack another enemy, then the enemy will teleport to another place, or sometimes it can jump to another place. So to solve this, go to Asset and find the X collision, because this collision push another character to teleport their location. So remove the collision from the static mesh and save it. Now they don't have any teleport to another place. And we want the character to rotate to the enemy when he is attacking. We will use motion warping. That is a feature which you can dynamically adjust a character root motion to align a target. And to enable this, go to plugins, find motion warping, enable this motion warping and choose yes, and restart your editor. Restart now and save selected. Go to third person character, create custom event, name it update motion warping and add motion warping to our component. Go to viewport, add sphere collision, and the radius is 325. This collision will detect where is the enemy. Go to event graph, get sphere collision, then get overlap actors. And call for each loop call is enemy message, and if it's true, we create new variable, name it enemy array, variable type is actor, and create the array, get enemy array, and then add it to the array if it's true. We get enemy array. Before we call for each loop, we have to clear our array. So we can use this function many times. Get a copy, and the index is 0. And then check is it valid. Get motion warping, add or update warp target, and warp target name is attack target. Split the warp target and split the transform, and this enemy we get actor location, next it to warp target transform location, get actor location from our third person character, find look at rotation. The start is actor location, and target is enemy location, and it to warp target transform rotation. We go to our standing melee attack animation that we use to attack. Add another notified track to avoid confuse with the play montage notify, and then right click, add notify state, motion warping, and you can use when the character is walking and swinging the axe. Root motion modify, use school warp. Warp target name is attack target, the same as in the third person character. Warp target name. When we play the montage, we call the function update motion warping. And if we face at the different side of the enemy and attack, our character move to the enemy and then rotate to it. This is the effect of motion warping. You can adjust it if you want to start the warping sooner or later. But the character can move to the enemy even it is far away. So we have to limit the distance that the character should warp to the enemy. Add function, name it get warp location rotation, and then add input. The input is enemy and variable type is actor. Add variable, name it distance, and variable type is float. And from our enemy we get actor location, get actor location of our character, and call find look at rotation, make it to target, and actor location to start. Add local variable, name it target location. We use local variable because we don't want to get messy with the global variable, and this variable only used in this function. So variable type is vector. Get unit direction vector from actor location to our character, multiply it by convert to float 45, and then add it with our enemy location. The target location is single, not array, and then set it to target location. And call return. Get actor location, add get actor location, get unit direction to the target location, and multiply it, convert to float, multiply it with the distance, add it with the actor location. Then we get the unit direction, get the length, and compare it less than, get actor location, target location and find the distance to the target location that it to this less than, then call select, use this boolean to the index. If it is false, we call this target location, and if it's true, we use this location with the distance that we want. And connect it to the return node. This return is location, and connect the rotation to the return, and this is the rotation. Go to event graph and then call this function, set it to pure function and connect it to enemy, and we set the distance to 275 and use it as warp target transform location, and this as the warp target transform rotation. Delete this, and if the enemy is not valid, we call add or update warp target again. But we get actor location and connect it to warp target transform location and get actor rotation. It means that the character warping to the same location and the same rotation. And I forgot to get motion warping component and connect it to target. Set this sphere to visible to not hidden in game, or you can limit this to 175. The distance will be shorter. Play test. Now if there are many enemies, we want the character to attack the nearest enemy. To do this, go to third person character and then when it's complete, we add another function, name it find nearest enemy. Add local variable, name it temporary distance, and set variable type to float. Set the temporary distance to like number like 1 million or 10 million. Then get enemy array for each loop. Get actor location, call get actor location. Find the distance between these two locations, and if it less than, get temp distance. Then create a branch. Set the distance to temp distance to continue compare for another enemy distance. And add new variable. Name it nearest enemy. Variable type is actor, and set the enemy to the nearest enemy. When it complete, we call return node and get nearest enemy next to return node. Name it nearest enemy output. Go to event and then call this function. And then promote the nearest enemy to variable. Name it to nearest enemy. And use this nearest enemy instead of enemy array index 0. Let's play test. When we attack here, the character will attack this nearest enemy. And this warp target, we want two distance. One is a bit far and one is nearer. So click on update motion warping custom event, add variable, and variable type is boolean, and variable name far distance. Then create a branch. If it's true, the distance is 175, and if it false, connect it to enemy and the distance is only 25. And this attack montage set far distance to true. We want the character to attack using different animation. If we press W, we play another animation, and if we press A, we play different animation. So get move right left greater than 0, create a branch. If it's true, we play the montage, and this one we can create collab to function. Name it is attacking. And then check if it is less than 0 and create a branch. If it false, check if it less than 0, get forward, backward, greater than 0, create a branch. if it false, and then less than 0, create a branch. And false, connect it to the branch. When we press D, we will move right, so it is greater than 0, and when we press A, it is less than 0, and press W, the forward, greater than 0, and press S, it is less than 0. Then copy display montage, paste it, connect it to our branch, copy and paste, false, and it's true, paste. When it is true, and another one when there aren't any condition that is true. The last one when we just click attack and don't press any moving forward or backward or right or left. Disable this far distance. Use it only when the forward is greater than 0. And then search for animation montage. This 30-degree height, create any montage and use it for the first one. If right is greater than 0, we use this 30-degree high animation montage. You can use any animation that you want that is suitable for that key, and it's less than 0. Create animation montage and use it. Then if forward greater than 0, we select to choose different animation and call random bool, connect it to index, and use attack version 1 and attack version 2. Then if it is less than 0, call attack backhand animation montage and play this montage. And the last one, if we don't press any move key, simple attack downward, and this combo attack version 3. Call select random bool, use it for the first one, and the version 3 for true. And all these animation montage we have to create the notify just like the attack version 1 that we used to use it like this. Notify for start attacking and end attacking with the X and the motion warping notify. We can go to each one. This one with add notify montage notify, and notify name is start. Then when it finish at this frame 36 frame, right click, add notify and move it here. Notify name is add, and add track, notify track, right click, notify state, motion warping, and use it around here. And root motion modifier school warp. The warp target name is attack target. Do the same with other animation. This one. Right click, add montage notify, and notify name is start. Start from here, and at 31 frame it finish. Add name, notify name. Add notify track, right click, notify state, motion warping, and start it from here to near the add. School warp. Warp target name is attack target. It's such a repetitive process, so I will mark the time. You can skip this and do it by yourself. Thank you for being part of my channel and supporting my passion for game development. I love making and sharing games with you, but it is not easy to make a living from it. My parents are worried about me and my future. I don't have any income to cover my expense. I need your help to keep this channel going and reach the watch time required by YouTube. Right now I have only 800 watch hours, which is not enough. Please watch more of my videos and share them with your friends and leave me some feedback. I promise I will keep working hard to improve my skills and deliver more content for you. And see you in the next video.